Okay, bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay guys, so today I would like to show you guys about my design in Figma, new project. So here, I draw the Mount Merapi. I took the reference from here, which I make the hole longer to make it look more aggressive. And then there is the sun, which is I took the reference from here, and also for the birds here, and for the clouds I took the reference here. And for the man standing, I took the reference in here. Okay, so and for this forest, I took it from here, and for the tree I took from here. Okay, you guys might ask, how do I make this? But I'm not going to show you the tutorial. Now I will show you that I make all of this using this pen tool. What is pen tool? So I make this like this. You see, when I double click this, there is so many dots that if you see this, there is only 4. Okay, I use that this. If you see in this line, there should be a plus, and then when you do that, you can edit, move around. Okay, that's for the show. And now you might ask how I make this grass. So this grass, I make this grass using the texture. There is effects when you can search that there is inner shadow for the shadowing like this, drop shadow for the shadow below. And for this texture, for this grass I use the texture filter. Okay, and then I duplicate it to 3 times, and then change the color to darker, from lighter to darker. Then also for the forest, but I use the pencil for the forest. Then you see there is this line thing. Let me copy that. Okay, I place it here so you can see it bright. Wait. Okay, you might see this. So what is this? You might ask. This, when you took Eclipse and then you mold it until you find the shape you want, and then you can change the opacity to 50 maybe, and then set it darker, and then you can set it until it looks like this. But I forgot the settings actually, sorry. Okay, now how do I make these birds? Actually, I make this bird is really simple. Only this. You make it like this, and then shape it like how you want. So I make this shadow like shadow illusion, only making a rectangle, and then set it darker, and then this opacity and this invisibility, set it lower, and then you can adjust it so the mountain fits perfectly with the shadow. Then I make this hole a little bit darker, you can see here, because I copy paste this and then remodel at the top, make the same at the bottom, and then make it long but not as long as the original one. I make this forest look like using Eclipse, make it bigger, and then you can set it using the pencils. So here pencil is everything. without PNG. You might talk at this. If you look at it for a brief second, you might thought that I make this using the PNG. Actually, I did. Okay, so I forgot for the line. You can copy paste it into many, and it's for the leaves, illusion. And then there is the sun. How to make the sun? Okay, so I use fill it yellowish, make it yellowish, and then use layer blur. I forgot I didn't add this. Sorry. Okay, and then for the clouds, I only using multiple eclipse. Copy paste it, and then set it around, and then you can recolor it. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Thank you very much for listening. That's my video. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.